Welcome to our lab on the macOS GUI. So you need to know where to find the IP address settings for the Mac. I've used a virtual machine on onworks.net. Hopefully you'll find it available. Now for making the lab guide, there's a different version, so mine will look slightly different to the actual book if you've got the book. In the lab guide we've got, you can click on the Apple icon here and we can access our network settings, but can't do it on this virtual machine. I think maybe due to the version possibly, or it could be privileges. But you can click on the system settings, double click it, and you won't be surprised to hear that it's the network icon here. Double click on that. Again, if you've got the book, the appearance will be a little bit different, but it's really easy to find. I'll click on Options. You can see your general settings, Layer 2, Security, and IPv4 and IPv6. To obviously get to your IPv4 address, you click on IPv4. We've got DHCP, and all you need to do is click on the drop-down arrow. There's a few choices we'll want to manually configure. Then click on Add. You can add your IP address, your network mask, your default gateway, and it will turn from red to green when you've entered the correct syntax. So when you've done that, you can click on Add. You can obviously delete it as well there and add some more if you so wish. Add a DNS server if you so wish also. You can add some routes to your routing table, which I won't do, but if you've got access to this virtual machine, you can add a route. IPv6 settings also, you can do exactly the same process. So please have a look at each tag, make a note of what your options are. Just bear in mind different versions will have a different presentation, including if you're following the lab on a different version of macOS.